It's time to keep on rolling, baby! Is this how you do it in Philly? Shit right here, Limp, Bizkit is right here. People out of Philly, put your hands in the air, cause if you don't care, you don't care. 1, 2, 3 times 2 to the 6. Jumping for your fix on that Limp Bizkit mix. Where the fuck you at? Shut the fuck up and back the fuck up while I fuck this track up. Keep on rolling in this rain.